Welcome back and welcome to another Algebra 1 2 homework with me. If you're using the same textbook, this is a lesson 5 to practice. If you're not using the same textbook, it's okay. We can still practice and learn together. And today's Bible verse is from Matthew 25:34-40. Whatever you did for one of these least of these, you did for me. Have you understood the Christmas spirit? How might you serve others this season? And dear Jesus, help me reflect the spirit of Christmas you modeled by coming to the earth, not to be served, but to serve. Okay, let us look at your homework. Your work is all the odd. I might do a few odd, but mostly I will model the even numbers because they're same type of questions. So you are giving a point. This point is 10, 3. Remember, 10 is the x coordinate. 3 is y coordinate. And this slanted m means it's a slope. And in the class, we made this, seems more interesting by building a house. So slope gonna live in this room. You put x here. And this room is for y-intercept. Let's see what you already have. You already have -2. You put a -2 here, slope gonna live here. You also already have x is 10, y is 3. So I'm going to erase this and substitute. And thank you for your patience when I'm changing my ink and eraser. X is 10. This is x, you put down here. Y is 3, you put here. And now since you do not know y-intercept, you just put a b here, because you do need a variable that can represent it. Now you have 3 equals -2 times 10, -20. Okay? And plus b. Now, can we find a b? In the class, some of you say, I'm going to guess it. Remember, in middle school math and pre-algebra, and also in our Algebra 1, we taught you addition, property of equality, subtraction, division, all these cool things. And so this is a subtract, you're going to add it. Why? Because when you have a pair of opposites that cancel out each other, become 0. Now you can say b is 23. Remember, in order to write a beautiful slope-intercept form, you need only 2 ingredients. You can cook. I love the way my students say, they say, let's cook. I can cook. Yes, you need m, you need a b. M is given to you. Now you can write down. B is the one you calculated. It's positive 23. So you write down 23. Now you are done with this one. I'm glad you're still here because I'm going to really do homework with you. This is your homework. And this is x, this is y, this is a slope. So I'm going to plug in. Of course, first I want to write this down with you. I hope you're writing also. I'm going to plug in. That's a 5. X is -1. Make sure you plug in correctly. And y is 6. And now you're going to find what is b. I'm going to pause a little bit and wait for you to find what is b. Okay? And did you say I worked out b is 11? Very good. Once you find what is b, you're going to use m one more time. Then you're going to write down y equals 5x plus 11. Very good. Okay, this one, let me get some ink. Remember, this is x, this is y. X coordinate, y coordinate. Okay, so we're going to write down. This time we can write a little bit faster. Of course, you can still write down your mx plus b form first. So m is 7, and plug in 2, and we're going to find the b. I'm going to pause and give you opportunity to practice. What do you have for b? Okay? Alright, did you find out that b is negative 17? Okay? Alright, once you find that b is negative 17, you can start to write. That's it. Alright, let's look at your last question 5. If you want to practice, you can totally pause this video, see if you can do it all by yourself, then come back, we're going to check your work. Okay, question 5. Question 5. If you want, you can always write down this first. Do it slowly. Slow and steady is the key to success. Okay? Alright, and you're going to plug in 5. So plug in 5 here. You're going to plug in negative 4 here. And you're going to find what is b. In class, some of you have a difficulty calculating the fractions, the adding, subtracting, multiplying, division. So please, in your spare time, and go ahead practice it, because the essentials are really important. Sometimes you understand the difficult concept, but it's the essential part make you feel, okay, I'm weak, so you need to practice that part. Alright, now give you time, you find out what is b. Alright, if you need more time, go ahead and pause this video and work on finding b. Due to the content of this one, and we're not gonna stop and teach you this, but the other videos you can use it, okay? Alright, now you have a b, and you have m, you have a slope, and you have, excuse me, I did not mean to do this one. I meant to do this one, okay? So, alright, so it's always better you use a blank paper, and so you won't make a mistake like I just did. I accidentally circled the other one. I'll check the other one. Anyways, come back to here. So you have a slope, you have intercept, okay? And then you come here, write down y equals slope. In class, a lot of you forgot writing down x. Oh, please don't forget writing down the x, because mx plus b. Okay? Alright, so this is your solution. Alright, that concludes the category 1. Happy learning.